Today I'm at Carlisle at Johnston Tractors. I'm actually at the Expo exhibition further down, but as soon as I'm up this way I'll just go a walk in the yard. It should be okay. Usually everyone's fine. So they've got a lot of these sort of mini diggers here, and one on wheels. So I'll just go a walk down the used equipment, see what there is. Should be okay. Obviously more John Deeres than anything else, I wouldn't imagine. So we have a JCB, the very first one here, followed by a white Valtra A93, followed by a Case IH Farmall 105U, followed by a Case IH Maxim 150, then we have a New Holland T7.235 auto command. So I can't see what age they are, but this one's certainly the front linkage seems like it's been used quite a bit there. Then we have a New Holland T7.200, followed by an open cab John Deere 5065E with the open platform, followed by a John Deere 6175R front linkage. To be honest, most of the tractors nowadays have front linkage, followed by a 6110R, a John Deere 6110R, followed by a 6150R. So quite a collection of John Deeres in here. Another 6155R, followed by a 6145R, and another 6145R. So it's been an agri-hire tractor, this one. Then one of the older models, a 6830, with a Lynx front linkage. One of the older John Deeres, don't know what it is, been washed off I think, might get it on the other side. Nope. Now these were a very, very popular tractor in their day, the 6930. I think this is the first Massey Ferguson I've seen, 6290. Power control Massey Ferguson there, followed by another Massey Ferguson. Always hard to see when I've got the loader on there. It's a 5455, followed by a Baird's Massey Ferguson 390 Turbo, the Case IH MX 110, one of the older New Hollands, TM 125 New Holland there. Some of the older tractors here. A Sammy Special Explorer 95. Looks very tidy. No cabin there, but looks very tidy. And something very similar next door, two-wheel drive. A Sammy Explorer Special 95. Open platform. Followed by a Case IH, or maybe just an International 785 XL with a Torg amplifier there. So quite a collection of tractors. So I have a Fiat 640, certainly don't see too many of these, and a Case International 885 XL. Some of the older ones in the corner here, just have a look at them. Sort of vintage tractors I would imagine. David Brown. I think it's a 770 Select-O-Matic, followed by a Ford 3000 I would imagine, and an MF 20 in yellow there. So also in this corner we have either 40 or 48 bale grabs for the small bales, plus lots of weights there. Some trailers, bale trailer, and a dump trailer I would imagine there. So it's sort of heading into the sun, which is not so good. Carlisle tar up, rolling up machine there, and a high spec for feeding cattle there. It's a Super 14 Mix Max. We always used to use these at Plate Farm when I was there. So there's lots of second-hand forage wagons, feed boxes, whatever you want to call them. All shapes and sizes. A 20 metre Carlisle Dual 2218 there. Feed either side. So there we are, just looking back at that corner. High spec, 2,500 or 2,500 gallon, I would imagine, not milliliter. And an old Marshall side discharge and spreader there, and a Stewart multi-purpose trailer, I would imagine there. So all sorts of everything there. Ploughs, lots of ploughs there. some more tractors are simply excuse me, a T6.155 over there. A Kamer Allrad. All sorts of different things. So here we have a John Deere 6150R agri hire there with the brush on. So there we are. Just make it round the corner, that should be fine. Here we have some machines for either bedding out straw or feeding out silage, that's for sure. Quite a few mowers as well. And a Case IH 150 Puma there. Looks fairly new. Lots of little diggers as well.